right, so this is going to be a shorter one. This is going to be about nitrogen balance. When we talk about nitrogen balance, this has to do with protein intake, and what we're looking for most of the time, patients should have a balance between the nitrogen intake and excretion. If they are in balance, that means that they're taking in enough protein to meet their needs. A negative nitrogen balance happens sometimes when someone is not getting enough protein, so they have inadequate protein intake, or they've had an increased need. Maybe they've had an injury, trauma, burn, and they're not getting enough protein to meet that need. So negative nitrogen balance is going to mean we need to start looking at ways to get more protein into that patient. A positive nitrogen balance is important when in times of growth. So in adolescence, in pregnancy, we actually want to see more intake than output. I want to look really quickly at how to calculate protein need. Let me see if I can share the whiteboard. All right, so to calculate protein need, my writing on this is going to be pretty terrible. Let's say this patient weighs 120 pounds. All right, so we're going to get out a calculator. And we're going to say 120 divided by 2.2. So that is 54.5 kilograms. We're going to say times 0.8 grams. So times 0.8. And so that protein need would be 43 grams. Okay. So to calculate protein need, it's going to be weight in kilograms times 0.8. That is for a normal, healthy adult. Protein need in children is going to be a little bit different. Protein need in someone who is recovering from a severe injury or in pregnancy is going to be different. So just think normal, healthy adult, non-pregnant state. We're going to come back next and talk about nutrition assessment.